Start being there, bro. Right there. Brother tie. Yeah, so to understand what Mango Pari is, bro, do you know what Mango Pari is? Yeah, that flag on the New Zealand Airways?
Oh, yeah.
That's our Mango Pari. It's a hammerhead shark. And each... That's it there. That piece just there.
Oh, yeah.
That's Mango Pari, and in your case, your Mango Pari are representing those, your siblings. There's your bro, big bro at the top, or your bro, your two sisters, and your mum, eh? And the Manai's in there, there's a...
Yeah.
That's for your Christian imports. Obviously grew with it, eh, bro?
Oh, no, I've only just kind of
Nice.
last 6 or 7 years
Nice.
come into it.
Kaitiaki, Guardians. Okay, and those are my signatures, bro. 3 prongs.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. When you see those 3 prongs on people, you'll know who did it.